Well, it's about flippin' time. Real spring, not fake, it's gonna snow again spring, has finally come to Wisconsin. And now that it's spring, I'm thinking about doing a little spring cleaning. The reality is, on social media, you can chase quantity or you can chase quality. Now, Olive, she'll chase anything. Where's it going? Where's it going? And she'll run so hard chasing anything that moves until she's wiped out, right? Right. I, on the other paw, am a little more circumspect when it comes to connecting with people. Because seriously, I want those connections to mean something. And don't get me wrong, I'm no elitist. It's not like I'm not going to connect to you. If you say hi, I'd love to connect to you. I've followed what you're doing or anything like that. It's just the connections that feel like a sales call. Forget about it. I don't need that. And that's why I took Sarah Gross's advice and changed my connect button on LinkedIn to a follow button. It's still really easy to connect to me, but by adding that follow button, it kind of stops some of the spam connects that I get right in their tracks. I'll engage with anybody who's actually engaging, but it's the connect for connect's sake people I just really don't have a lot of time for. Ooh, and this is a great example of quality and quantity, right, Olive? That's a happy dog. Because really, if you hit that connect button without telling me why you want to connect, why should we? A quality connection is like ice cold water on a super hot day. Oh, and one more thing. All LinkedIn Live people who are putting out videos every single day and giving me notification after notification after notification that you're going live, sorry, bye-bye. You're just coming off a little too needy. So if you want to connect, let's meaningfully connect. Otherwise, I got a dog to walk. So my advice, do a little spring cleaning. Get rid of the chaff and keep the wheat. I'm DP Knudten for the Nonfiction Brand Podcast and Nonfiction Brandversity. I hope to see you around later. Bye-bye.